In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save Canva as a PDF. Now, once you have your design created and you want to download, what we want to do is come right up here to the right hand corner where it says Share. Now, if we click on there, we then want to come down to where it says Download, and this is where we have the option. Now, if you don't see PDF standard just here, what we want to do is simply click on this to bring up all the other formats which we can download. Now, as you can see, we have PDF standard or PDF print. So depending on what you're going to use your PDF for will depend on whether you use standard or PDF print. But let me just run through both of these. Now, if we click on PDF standard, we're going to have a few different options. We can choose compress PDF. Now, if we hover over the little I, it's going to tell you more information about that. But we can also flatten PDF or include notes and password protection. Now, right here, if we click on select pages, we can either choose to select all of the pages or just the pages that we want. Now, for this example, I would download all of the pages. Now, if we come back up to the top and click on PDF print instead, we can see the options that we have here as well. So we can crop marks and bleed. If we hover over the I, it's going to give you more information. We can flatten PDF or also include notes again. And again, we can choose how many pages that we want to download as the PDF. For this example, we'll keep it on select all, and this is where we have a couple of different options regarding color profile. So we can choose between RGB, which is best for digital use, or we can use CMYK, which is best for professional printing if you have a Canva Pro account. Now we know that's a Canva Pro feature because if we look here, there's this little crown icon. But once you have the settings that you want, you simply choose all of them, click on download. We can see that it's going to download just here. We give that a few seconds, and then we can open up our PDF and take a look. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to save Canva as a PDF. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, have a watch of this playlist, which is jam-packed of Canva tutorials.